To add a new purchase refund transaction, the user must navigate to the Procurement menu, click on the Transactions submenu, and select the Purchase Refund option, which will display the Purchase Refund homepage. To add a new transaction, click on the Add button located at the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form appears. The user must select the business unit for which the purchase refund is being created. The transaction reference will be automatically generated based on the reference formula configured in the Settings menu. The user must then click on the supplier field and select a supplier by searching with an exact alphabetical keyword so that the system can fetch the relevant result. User can enter any special reference for this purchase refund transaction. The currency will be automatically fetched based on the selected business unit. This currency can be changed while doing a transaction. Rates can be changed during the transaction. User can edit preferred rate field if needed, else the rate configured in the settings against the basic currency will be shown. Date field will be logged by system current date, and it can be changed to previous dates. The cost center can be selected from the drop-down menu by either scrolling or using an appropriate character filter. The payment method can also be chosen from the drop-down menu. By default, credit 15 days will be shown as entered in the System Configuration menu. Any additional notes can be entered in the designated field, and attachments can be added by clicking on the Browse option. In the Materials section, the user must select a material from the drop-down menu by entering an exact alphabetical keyword, allowing the system to list relevant materials for selection. The Warehouse field will be auto-filled based on the selected material. The user must enter the quantity and price, along with any applicable discount, and VAT percentage. If required, additional notes for the purchase refund material can be entered in the appropriate field. Once all details are entered, clicking on Save will store the transaction, making it visible on the home page. To view a purchase refund transaction, the user must click on the View icon under the Action column, which will display the individual transaction details. To edit a purchase refund transaction, the user must click on the Edit icon under the Action column. Switching the transaction to Edit mode, where necessary modifications can be made and saved. A duplicate option is provided to minimize user effort by creating a duplicate purchase refund transaction with pre-filled data, which can be modified and saved as a new entry. To print a purchase refund transaction, the user must click on the Print icon under the Action column, generating a printable version in a new tab. To delete a purchase refund transaction, the user must click on the Delete icon under the Action column, where the system will prompt a confirmation message. Upon user confirmation, the transaction will be permanently deleted.